in first year only, I took the speed app, sir. So I used to hand in hand with the speed notes, speed videos, and Harrison, sir. So I used to compare them and study, sir. Speed as a basic platform to lay my foundation in medical oncology, because it covered each and every topic and in integrated way, sir. So that's how I got to know about speed.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Yatinder Singh Kaviya for scoring a topmost rank of All India 35 in
Yes, sir.
DM Medical Oncology Group in NEET SS 2025 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
So great. And thanks for your time to spare with us and to share your valuable experiences. I mean, on behalf of entire Speed, I thank you for that. And can we know your detailed background history from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, actually, I'm 2014 batch MBBS. It's my entrance year, sir. I got into MBBS in Gitanjali Medical College, Udaipur in 2014, on which I passed out on 2020. After that, I had 2 years of drop due to some family issues. After that, I got into SMS Medical College and secured a rank of 13,042 in NEET PG. And for the past 3 years, I've been working as a junior resident in SMS in radiation oncology department.
Excellent. From a radiation oncology background, and you're interested in oncology and you want to pursue a higher super specialty. And what inspired you to do a super specialty in DM medical oncology?
I was every time on the rounds also, sir, in wards. I was really fascinated with the drug mechanism of actions and the how drugs are working and what all the new things are upcoming things in the medical oncology field like CAR T cell therapies. They all always fascinated me, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your idea of doing a DM oncology started when? Which year it was? It was in the second year or third year or
So
when?
it was the first year itself, sir. On the rounds, our teachers are very my personal guide, sir, Dr. Shantanu Sharma, sir, my senior professor, sir. See, he asked from every field, sir, even surgical oncology, medical oncology, and radiation oncology on the rounds, sir. So he was like he knew that I am interested in medical oncology, so he specifically used to ask me questions on based on medical oncology fields only, sir. So that's how I was like, no, to pursue medical oncology only, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Great accomplishment. Great thought process.
Yes, sir.
You decided to do a DM super specialty, then how you worked towards it and got what you wanted today?
Yes, sir. I actually started with the first of all in first year only. I took the speed app, sir, and hand in hand, I also studied the Harrison, sir. Only medical oncology part, but initially, sir, in 2022, it was whole medical groups, sir. Not medical oncology was not a separate entity, sir, by then. So I used to study Harrison from starting, sir, till the end, sir. By the time in second year, sir, I got a bit. It is a bit hectic, sir, in SBS, sir, especially in the first year and second year, sir. So, but I had a privilege that we had a rotation in State Cancer Institute also, sir, in first year, sir. So by the time when I was getting rotated in the State Cancer Institute, I had a plenty of time, sir. Apart from taking care of the patients, sir. So I used to hand in hand with the speed notes, speed videos, and Harrison, sir. So I used to compare them and study, sir.
Wow. So early, how you got into it? Because in first year itself, you are into the process of doing what you wanted. And
Yes,
who
sir.
introduced speed to you? How you got into this process?
So actually, one of my dear friend who got DM gastroenterology in SMS, sir. So he told me that I should take speed as a basic platform to lay my foundation in medical oncology, because it covered each and every topic and in integrated way, sir. So that's how I got to know about speed, and rest is the journey, sir.
Rest is the history.
Yeah, rest is the history, sir. Yes.
Very well said and beautifully said. I mean, I'm seeing how focused and how clear you were, and you have been guided properly and been into the entire process on the journey, and you hit correct and perfect at the right time, and you did. I'm very, very happy for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Now, can you tell us how many hours you used to prepare every day, or month or weekly? So you have some pattern. Can you share the pattern that you followed?
So in first year, sir, I was consistent on the rotation part and in the night duties, sir. And sir, from this beginning only, sir, whether I should say or not, sir, I did the MCQs first and then looked at the videos and Harrison, sir. So, because I think there are many things in the books to study and videos also, sir. So, but sir, MCQs gave me the perfect precision where to look for, what to look for, sir. And that's how I began my study. And after that, sir, on an average, sir, I used to study daily 1 hour minimum, bare minimum, and sir, solve 50 MCQs each day, sir.
Oh, great.
Yes, sir. And in some days I also used to study like 4 to 5 hours along with my residency in whether it's in ICU or in wards, sir, or in OPD also.
Great. Great.
Yes, sir.
Now, how many questions did you attend this exam?
So actually, I attempted all 150 questions.
Super.
Yes, sir.
Very
And so I actually did a bit of a, I mean, like 4 or 5 questions. I really did silly mistakes on which I'm regretting till date, sir.
whatever it is given you the results.
Yes, sir.
So it's how it is. So can you share something on the paper? How much was the percentage of questions from radiation oncology? What is the percentage of questions from DM medical oncology or so full of DM medical oncology paper? Can you share something on the proportion of the percentage of things were asked and about the
Yes, sir.
paper?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. So actually, if particularly radiation oncology perspective we are looking for, then only 5 to 10 questions were there. But in integrated way, there were in and around 30 to 35, 40 questions of integrated medical and radiation oncology. And rest, answer, there were bare minimum questions from supportive emergency issues, like only 4 to 5 questions were asked from emergency and supportive oncology. Rest were purely from medical oncology perspective. So.
What was the standard of medical oncology? Is it part of the super specialty or is it par with an exit standard? Or I mean, what is that? It's all over based on data.
Sir, it was the paper, whole paper was purely based on Devita and NCCN, sir. And along with that, sir, the toughness of paper is like, sir, the ranking questions, sir. They were, sir, a bit of like exit exam questions, sir.
Exit. Okay. Okay.
Exit, sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
And some of it, most of the paper was balanced paper, sir, and rest were, sir, like easy questions were also there, which you can attend easily, sir. Even if you have watched once speed video, sir, you can easily attempt those questions fully, sir.
So, can you share your experience how the speed helped you to achieve this?
Sir, actually, I would like to first thank Sir Santosh sir, sir, due to his, I mean, like brilliant skill of teaching, sir. I was like, it was like I only studied Harrison 2 or 3 times, sir. Rest, I only saw his videos, sir, Santosh sir, and also Sir Nishant sir. He actually, I was a bit lagging behind with the drugs part, sir. There are many drugs to look for, sir, and so it really helped me, especially Santosh sir's video, sir.
Very good, excellent. And they will be very happy looking at this video for uh,
Yes, sir.
and they'll be happy and satisfied because they want
Yes,
to
sir.
know how helped it top us. That's the reason I asked this question.
Yes, sir.
Now, what will be your advice to the future aspirants of DM medical oncology?
So actually, first of all, if they are pursuing radiation oncology, then medical oncology, rounds are utmost, sir. Rounds are to be attended and with clear mind, because there were many questions which were asked directly. What our professors discussed, sir, in the rounds. And second of all, sir, Speed Harrison latest edition, sir, and also Devita. It's must, sir, because it gave me an upper edge, sir. When I was preparing in the last few days, sir, actually, I was got admitted also in the last 10 days, sir. I had a disc prolapse.
My God.
Yes, sir. So at that time also, sir, I was not able to read with the books, sir, in my hand. So I was again and again and again watching the videos, sir. And it really, sir, it gave me an upper edge in the exams. And I was also, and one more thing, sir. So there were lengthy questions in this NEET SS, sir. And In speed also, sir, when you go through the MCQ parts and test series, sir, there are lengthy questions only. And so by solving them again and again and again, sir, I was reading very easily, sir, those lengthy questions in NEET SS. So this was also like I used to I did two times revision of each section in this NEET SS paper just because of that, sir.
Great, doctor. Very nice. You said 22nd edition of Harrison. What is the role it played in 22nd of edition of Harrison for this exam?
Sir, first of all, sir, that nobody actually, I was not also aware. But in Harrison 22nd edition, sir, AML, there's a new table of Harrison of AML, sir. The classification and what are favorable, unfavorable, intermediate, and not unfavorable, poor prognosis, sir. So that was beautifully explained in the speed part, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And were there questions from general medicine also in this paper?
Uh, I I don't think so, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, time to thank, and before time to thank, I'm seeing some of in the background of yours.
Yes,
You've
sir.
taken some notes and put it on the board.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's truly inspiring. It's truly inspiring that how your room looks.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
you have a habit of taking notes and putting the what are the things available there? Can we know something on that if it's okay for you?
Sir, these are basically, sir, hematology, sir.
Hmm.
Hematology notes, sir. One is here, sir, and the other notes are here, sir. This
Wow,
series.
wow. Can you
Yes,
take
sir.
it closer to us if it's okay for you? Can you
Yes,
show?
sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Wow, wow. My goodness. What a level of dedication, huh? Huh? Is a
Thank you, sir.
methodology to revise, and you have something there also, right, in the back. I mean, what that notes covers all of. I mean,
Sir, this one is for hematology, and this one is for, sir, medical oncology, sir.
my God.
Yes, sir.
Superb, yeah. Hats off to you, huh? The level
Thank you,
of
sir.
dedication and the kind of your room is looking very, very inspiring. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
And people who are watching this video, I mean, Dr. Yatinder Singh is a role model. And he started
Thank
his
you, sir.
preparation early, 3 years back. From the first year, is very clear, is focused, and
Yes, sir.
do what you do, bang on it, go on, research, do a research where the things are available for me, get it done, go all
Yes, sir.
through, hit it, done it.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, time to thank, and whom all you want to thank that they have been with you from day one till date, who have been with your career. So, you can use this platform to thank. You can take your time and do that.
Yes, sir. So first of all, I would like to thank my wife, Dr. Kanchan Charan. She's also SR in psychiatry in SMS only, sir. And sir, second of all, my family, my dearly child, son Thavan Kaviya, and sir, my guide, sir. I wouldn't have done without him, sir. Dr. Shantanu Sharma, sir, and Professor and Head, Dr. R.S. Kotwal, sir, and along with that, Senior Professor Dr. Rameshwaram Sharma, sir. These are the mentors that really changed my 3 years of journey, sir. They have been every with my ups and downs. They are like really like friend kind of a mentor, sir. You can share with them anything, any doubt regarding no matter what the time is, whether it is 11 p.m., whether it is 6 a.m. You can share them, and they'll tell you each and everything, sir.
Great, great, amazing, amazing. My regards to all of them as well,
Thank
and
you, sir.
parents and everybody around you. And once
Thank you,
again,
sir.
we wish you, as a behalf of Speed Team, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a
Thank you, sir.
great and wonderful career in DM Medical Oncology as a super specialty. Best wishes to
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.